Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my lovely people. How many of you have come across this video?
Mighty Play TV. We give you the best.
Wagwan gang, today I'm in Ibadan and I'm driving to find someone to play a game with me. I found this woman selling some snacks and I decided to engage her.
Wagwan, what's your name?
Boluwatife.
Bolu, what do you do here?
I used to sell snacks, drink pure water.
How has life in Ibadan been for you recently?
Everything has been so tough. Like people don't have money to buy things that we are selling. So in Ibadan, everything has been so hard. For pure water was like 350 naira, but now look at 300 naira. So it's not easy for people to buy it. I have money to buy. I have to go and borrow money. And to return the money is very hard because there's no market.
How much you borrow to buy this pop-up?
I borrow like 50k.
Wait, so how much do you make?
Sometimes I make like 5,000, 4,000. It depends how the market comes.
So how are you able to pay back?
Yeah, every week I pay for 5,000. But this day I can't pay anymore.
Damn.
I don't have food stuff at home. I have 2 kids. My husband is a DJ. He's not seeing much work, so it have not been easy. Not even rice or garri. We don't have.
Would you like to play a game with me? Who will stay with you, pop-up? You have a sub. All right. Substitution. Pull up. Yeah.
And then we went to the mall to play 30 seconds with Asha.
Yeah. Wagwan, what's your name?
Boluwatife.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ekiti.
Ekiti State.
Ben.
Whatever you fit into this cart in 30 seconds, I'm going to pay for it.
Okay.
Are you ready?
What's ready?
You're ready.
I'm ready.
Your timer starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Your timer is on. Your timer is up. How much do you think everything here would cost?
200k.
I bet. Let's go check it out. Big key. Keep trying yourself. Is there anything that could happen today that would really make your 2024 worth it for you?
Yes, so.
What?
I mean, you mean this morning when I wake up, I pray for a lot of things. I pray for God to give me money for my husband to buy food stuff. So, and my phone that's spoiled too. That God should give my husband so that I can buy a new one for me. My market too. That everything to just change for me. But I thank God for this one. And I'm so happy.
Fortunately for us, we're in a mall where we get to buy you a new phone. Would you like that? Really?
Thank you.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. Yes, my body is shaking. Thank you.
Yeah. There's going to be one last thing that you could ask of me right now. What would be its purpose?
To travel to my village, they have been calling me.
Where?
Ekiti. Still need money to do business. Buy flour, buy some drinks, POS machine.
How much does that cost?
35,000. And the flour is expensive.
How much is it?
75.
Give me a sec. Yeah, it's 250,000 naira.
Thank you very much.
For you to buy what you had to buy and see your parents for Christmas, alright?
Thank you. me. Thank you. I'm very fine.